everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, we will show you how to draw a strong lion. Let's draw and paint together. First, we are drawing the lion's face. Lion noses are large and wide, helping them to smell very well. The mouth is wide and strong, with sharp teeth. Lions have long, stiff whiskers growing from points around the snout, helping them sense their surroundings, especially when hunting at night. We are drawing a lion's mane. A lion with a bushy mane is considered a symbol of power, courage, and majesty. The mane is the element that creates the image of the lion as the lord of the forest. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. Draw slowly and carefully. No need to rush, no need to be perfect, as long as you have fun. The lion is mighty and majestic, isn't it? Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing better. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid. We're coloring the lion's face light yellow. We're coloring the lion's nose and mane maroon. A lion with a bushy mane is considered a symbol of power, courage, and majesty. The mane is the element that creates the image of the lion as the lord of the forest. The lion, often referred to as the king of the jungle, is a large predator with a light tan coat and a thick mane in males, symbolizing strength and authority. They live in prides within the grasslands and savannas of Africa, exhibiting complex social structures and are renowned for their powerful roar. As a symbol of courage and royalty, lions frequently appear in the culture and mythology of many civilizations around the world. Now the picture is very beautiful, isn't it?